It flips, right? Right, y'all, hair is done. I got money pieces this time, you guys, and I'm not a big money piece girl, but I'm thinking of eventually just adding more blonde in general. So it's like, this is a good way to like feel it out. And I tell y'all, I was slumped, you guys. I was literally in that salon knocked out. I did stop home because I had to use the bathroom, be real with you. I wasn't planning on coming back home, but I had to use the bathroom. And then I was like, oh, let me take this opportunity to go to the post office, because y'all, I ordered so many things and a lot of them just was not giving, like, at all. I was gonna go to the post office, but I realized if I was gonna go to the post office, I would have had to leave at the time I was coming home to use the bathroom. But since I still do have a little bit of time before my next appointment, I'm gonna eat some breakfast. Well, lunch now. It's already like what, 1 something. I'm eating some bacalao, malanga, and a little bit of juca. This is not really like a pre-vacation meal. It's not giving like a diet. It's the food you have at home. That's what it is, okay? So look, it doesn't really look that appetizing, but I swear it's good. Hi. It's disappointment. You guys, I'm here. Do you want to be in the camera?
No, no.
Crazy. I'm here and I'm so happy because I was running late and she still saw me. Like, that's a real one because, girl, I was trying to get an appointment with you, no lie, for like 3 years.
Oh my god.
Girl, it's crazy. So yeah, this is the before. They look insane. I've been growing them out. And then I'm gonna show y'all the after. Y'all, this is insane. Do you see this? I'm about to cry. Like, dead ass about to cry. That's crazy. Okay, go, your turn. Hold on. I gotta show you everything. Thanks. So I told her, I'm like, yo, I'm going on vacation in a week though, so I need them to be a little darker than what I would want them to be. Yeah. Cause I need them to last. What she said? She said that. Hold on, cause I gotta finish the vlog. Stay on the phone. Okay. All right, y'all. So I'm leaving the girl's place now. She finessed my brows. Now I gotta go to the post office and I gotta figure out how to get home from here. Hold on.
They say she get it from her mama. I'ma say you fuck her right. Body rude is unpolite. Don't be in a humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm trying to go work tonight. Hoes and hoops, just left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life.
Alright, y'all, so it is much later in the day. I went and got my nails done. They look so cute. It's giving like hey, ¿tú estás sola? Yeah. Okay. It's giving like transitional instead of vacation.
Where are you, Mom? Oh, okay. Where are you? Oh.
Hi, your hair looks so pretty.
Oh, thank you. You're filming?
Yeah. Like them?
Wow,
They're kind of cute, right?
They're gorgeous.
Right now I got all dressed up because we're taking an intermission from this little prep and pack video. Because y'all, Mom, you want to be the ones to tell them?
No, you tell them.
No, you tell them, Mommy.
No, you tell them.
You tell them.
Somebody's getting engaged.
Ooh. We're gonna take a little break because I just gotta get my gift ready and I want to show you guys. So look, most of this stuff I got on Etsy. It's so cute. This bag, tell me this is not the cutest bag ever. It says the fiance established 2024 future Mrs. and then I have his last name and then it says Bronx, New York. And then I'm gonna put all the stuff in here. You could use it. It has a pocket and it has a zipper to close. Like, are you kidding me? It doesn't get better than that. Where am I put this? Oh shit, I'm on my mom's bag. Okay. I'm in my mom's car. I got them like future wife and future hubby socks. Yeah, future wifey. Hers are nude and his says future hubby and his are black. Got this ornament. It says their name and it says today, which is the day they're gonna get engaged. Like, BRB crying. What? We got this candle. This one is actually from Amazon because in my engaged era it smells like shit. So I'm gonna recommend they never burn it and just keep it for decor. But Are you kidding? It's a matchbox and it says the perfect match and it has DNC and it has the year. Are you kidding? And then the only thing is that it didn't come with matches. Mad weird. So I ordered these. The matches are off Amazon, but the actual matchbox is off Etsy. And it has a little thing here so it could be like, shoot. Then I got this. It says, cheers to the future, Mr. and Mrs. Vasilakos. If you're Greek, I'm sorry if I'm butchering this. I'm gonna put that on a wine bottle. Well, this is my new favorite wine and I just want to put them onto it. So hopefully they will like it. I feel like Demi will like it, but I don't know if my sister will like it because it's kind of, what the hell happened here? I didn't even notice that. I gotta check the other one. Hopefully the other one is good. If you ever come across this and you like a sweet wine, try this. It's so good. Lastly, to pair with the wine, I got them like wine glasses. Not really, because they didn't have that. It was like wine glasses for both. This is like a beer glass. Hers is a wine glass. So you see? It's so cute. I'm gonna pack this all in the bag. I'm gonna put some tissue paper in it too. We'll be off to set up the proposal. I'm gonna be okay. I'm gonna be okay. I'm not okay. You know, sisterhood is so weird. Like having a sister, so weird because it's like these moments are so insane to the point that it's like you're almost happier for them than you would be if this was happening to you. Does that even make sense? I feel like if you have a sister, then you know what I'm trying to say. Let's go because no one else, we're about to start running late. It is days later, not even gonna lie. I have 2 early patch pimples because I feel something coming. Anyways, last time I spoke to you guys, it was about the proposal. I did not record a single thing. It was just too much going on for me to even be able to record. Just to say yes or whatever. She's a fiance. So happy. I love my future brother-in-law. Even though I've been calling him my brother-in-law, but it's about to be official now. We're leaving for our flight at 5 a.m. Look what time it is. Am I packed? No. Am I ready to go? No. Did I finish my prep? No. I did pack my clothes. Like I packed clothes, PJs, stuff like that. Now I just have to pack toiletries, everything of that nature. I figured I don't gotta show you guys the clothes since it's gonna be in the vlog, baby.
Rip me out the plastic, I've been acting brand new. Bitches acting like they running shit they really ran through. I spend that 500 before I ever trap you. They thought I was gonna fall off, I hate to bring you bad news. So many racks, a bitch can't even see the flow. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. Cheap niggas make you pee, rich niggas get you bought. Gave the Bentley to valet and let that nigga drive the boat. Let me pop off, leave the club sloppy drunk, come home.